Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. Good morning. Today I'm going to be opening up a box I just got in the mail yesterday. It's from my friends over at LA Police Gear, LAPG. As you know from a previous episode, LAPG sent me some bug out stuff. When shit hits the fan. This is part of my When Shit Hits the Fan series on what you need when shit hits the fan. This is a major part of it because you, as the primary head of the household, you're responsible for protecting your family when you got a bug out of your house and evacuate. Given what's happening in the climate today around the world, you just never know what's gonna happen. Maybe a nuclear war, you never know. But you gotta be prepared if shit hits the fan. So I got this from LA Police Gear. It is a level 3 ballistic vest, right? And plate carrier. And as you see, I've got all kinds of stuff on it already. It's already kind of heavy, you know what I mean? But you're going to need to carry all your stuff somewhere. While I already have a bug out bag. You think one bug out bag is going to be enough for your entire family? No! So LAPG sent me their 3-day bug out bag. Well, it's a backpack. But you can call it a bug out bag. And also, one of their very cool LAPG hoodies. Let's check out this bag. Wow. Obviously, all the stuff that I get is in FDE or Field Dark Earth color because, I don't know, the brown is soothing. It's like taupe. Nice neutral color and camouflage when you need it. When you're in the desert, but everything seems to go this color these days, you know, not so much multicam anymore, you know. Very, very nice. Let's check out this hoodie. Now, LAPG got, this is just to show you that LAPG was not just ballistic vests. It's also gear, not just tactical gear. Anything you need if you're a police officer or in the military, it's a one-stop shop for everything you need, including apparel. Isn't that nice? Front zip hoodie with LAPG in the back. Ooh, and some free silica packs. I like to save these packs and throw them in my ammo cans. It's another layer of moisture absorption. Let's go over all the pockets that they have here, just to give you an idea. Got an administrative area here where you can actually put, like, you know, gun cleaning kit or something like that. Pocket knives, markers, gun oil. These are all very important. Cleaning pads. Maybe not the cleaning pad today. Got a little administrative pocket for your change, keys maybe. Over here you have the mole system where you can adhere like a mole pouch or something to add a little bit more storage to the exterior panels. Wow, look at this. You can open this up and you have all kinds of other areas where you can store your shit. Little pockets here for your flashlights maybe. Cell phone, pens, markers, protein bars. Another deep pocket over here. Hook your key over here so you don't lose it. Another pocket over here that's very deep. Almost it feels like it's waterproof, so you can put like maybe some food or something. Another pocket over here. Plenty of pockets, enough for you to organize all the stuff that you need when you're ready to bug out. Over here, I guess you can place like a laptop or something like that. Personally, I don't think there's going to be any internet service when shit hits the fan, so I wouldn't put a laptop here. But you can put. Oh, you know what? This would be a good place to place like a hoodie. There you go. Hey, there you go. extra protection too, without taking up too much room in your bag. The top part over here is another pocket. Obviously you see the mole system is everywhere, so you can hook up exterior packs and accessories to it. And the main pocket over here, the main area where you can place stuff. You'd have to unclip this part here to fully pack out that part. See what I'm saying? Wow, look at that. Look at this. Is this crazy? Over here, here's where you can put your laptop because it's padded. It's padded over here. Also with the drawstring that you can pull tight. Another mesh pocket over here. Another administrative deep pocket over here. Lots of storage space where you can put things. There's so many pockets in here, I may not even remember where all my shit is, you know? Anyway, you guys get the picture. Very nice. Okay, here in the back area, you have your backpack straps with the across the torso snug strap, the waist strap with pads around your waist, all adjustable and clipped. You have a lot of quick disconnects to get things off fast, and also a 4-point padding system right over here. Over here, you may not notice, but these are rubber panels over here, so it prevents slippage and sliding around, so it's nice and snug on your body. It's very smart, actually, you know? All you need is a couple of rubber points over here, which this is. Excellent. Right at the back padding over here, there's another pocket. I've never seen this before. This is very cool. Look at that. You could actually put your laptop in there. Actually, you could put a plate carrier in here. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you could put like a ballistic plate in there if you wanted to give you some added protection to your back while you're running. And there's another pocket over here conveniently for something. Really nice. On the side part here, look at these. Look at these side pockets over here. Look at that. Look how deep that is, with another pocket and another pocket, a sleeve. You can put your tube socks in there, roll up some t-shirts, you can put food, a big water bottle you can put in here. All kinds of stuff. So I've got some stuff here that I couldn't fit into my other bug out bag. Because look, when you're out there you may need mountain climbing rope. You could use this rope to build a shelter, you know, tie it between two trees, put a tarp over it, secure it. Plastic bag so you don't lie in the mud, you know what I mean? That's very important. You need a hatchet to cut down trees. This would fit perfectly in this long elongated area on the side here. Knives. Flares. You need flares. It helps you start a fire, signal for help. Warn off animals like bears. Now you're gonna have, what if you get into a chemical, biological, or nuclear war? You need to be able to at least breathe for at least a couple of hours to get yourself out of harm's way. So I've got like these gas masks. Gotta shove some gas masks in there. Do you guys have gas masks? You need to get some gas masks. Because that Putin fella's thinking about chemical and biological weapons. The most scariest, of course, is the nuclear part. They have nuclear particulate filters too. They're very expensive, but you may need it for a nuclear war. I'm not kidding around. Just watch TV, man. Your basic filters for your, you know, dust and fumes and stuff. What's something that people forget all the time to talk about when you talk about bug out bags? Food! Isn't food really important? What are you gonna do? You gonna live 3 days with like a cup of noodles or something? Actually, that's not a bad idea. All you need is hot water. Well, shoot. All you need is just cold water. You don't really have to have it hot. Actually, you don't even really need water. You can just eat it dry like that. Anyway, I've got these MREs from the military. I bought a few to try. They're really not bad, actually. Anyway, so you can shove like, this is a 3-day pack, right? And in my experience, when I tested one of these things in a recent video, I was full the whole day just from one bag, you know what I mean? So if you really had to, you know, save, you know, like the Martian, one bag would probably feed 2 people if you really had to. You know, you'd probably still be hungry, but it'd keep you alive. You know what I mean? So this could feed 3 people for 3 days. You'll be hungry, but you could survive. So we'll stuff some food on the outer pocket over here. Some ammo. I probably wouldn't put these things there, but I'm just doing that to show you, fill it up. Pepper spray. You would want the pepper spray on like an outer pocket or somewhere on your waistband, but I'm just packing this bag just to show you. Another pepper spray. Stun gun. Holy cow, that's enough to scare the shit out of somebody. This is a taser gun. I'm not going to show you. Actually, I could show you. I'll take out the cartridge first. All right. Where's the damn button? Oh, battery's dead. These things are no good if you have no batteries in them. Duh. And collapsible baton, has a flashlight at the end. It's an ASP. So I could probably pack this a little bit more. Like I said, I have another bug out bag that's already loaded with the essentials. We're putting the extra stuff that I couldn't fit in that bag. You know what I mean? Honestly, if you have a family of 4 or something like that, you're gonna need 4 bug out bags. Each person in your family needs one of these things to carry their shit. You know what I mean? You don't want to have to... Your arms have to be available for protection because you'll be holding your rifle or your firearm at the same time. So you can't be having bags that you're carrying. You have to have a backpack where it keeps your arms useful. You guys following what I'm saying? I know you know what I'm talking about. Now with this ballistic vest already, we're adding like maybe 10 pounds to it. These waist things, they help you keep it snug on your body as well as distribute the weight evenly. So while it is a heavy bag already, I don't feel like it's that heavy because you're well balanced. All right, let's go bug out. Okay, bye. I'm bugging out now. We're evacuating. I'll just hop into one of the 2 Mercedes or both Mercedes and take right off. I'm just kidding. I'm not going anywhere yet. But are you guys prepared like I am? You have to do at least the minimum. Bug out bags are very important. Pack it up, ready to go. Because at a moment's notice, when Russian paratroopers are coming into your backyard, you got to get out. Where's your bug out bag? Are you going to spend 2 hours looking for stuff to put in the bag? You got to be ready, all right? And that's the whole key. Be ready. Thanks a lot to LA Police Gear for sending this to me. They have some great items ready for you to check out their website. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. Lots and lots of stuff. You guys are military or law enforcement, this is right up your alley. They've got everything and anything at a one-stop shop. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers, Blowers, and Guns.
Cutting-edge body armor. We just sew it between the fabric and the lining. 0 penetration. However, quite painful, I'm afraid.